Disciple means student. And Guru means teacher. Teacher, student. So when the student makes mistake, then what does the teacher do? When the student make mistakes, does the teacher say, okay, very good? Does he say that? Or he corrects him? So it's the business of the Guru or the teacher to correct the student. And this correction is for his spiritual advancement. That is the important business. Correct for spiritual advancement. Why does a disciple need a Guru? Why does somebody need a spiritual master? One needs a spiritual master for spiritual advancement. Therefore, the spiritual master has the responsibility to correct the disciple. And the disciple is prepared to accept the correction. The word for disciple in Sanskrit or Hindi is Shishya. What is the meaning of the word Shishya? Shishya means one who is prepared to accept Shashan. What is the meaning of the word Shashan? Shashan means chastisement. So disciple is one when he accepts a Guru means he is prepared to accept his chastisement. And this chastisement, that doesn't mean the Guru's business is to always chastise. But he needs to chastise when there's a need for correcting.